Now here we have the Umogi bread knife 8-inch with sheath. This is a German high carbon stainless steel, ergonomic grip, full tang wood handle. To make a good bread knife, it has an aggressive serrated edge that makes it great for bread, tomatoes, and cake. So this carbon stainless steel makes it excellent for anti-rust and anti-corrosion resistance. And also, it keeps its coloration. It's made for performance and durability. With the convenient sheath that's provided, it makes it easy to store, carry, and protect. Not only does the natural wood handle add to its beauty, but it also gives you better comfort feeling with agility. They claim a special nail is embedded in the handle to reinforce it, which makes the knife more beautiful and stylish. This is hand sharpened by experienced artisans. This kitchen knife has a 15-degree angle on both sides of the blade and a very thin, ultra sharp blade. So this is a great gift idea or a great tool for your kitchen to make your bread cutting not only functional, but makes it an enjoyable experience.